We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed look at the Nadou TLOZ Demon Dragon plush, a 43.3-inch black dragon stuffed anime doll that has captured the attention of fans and collectors alike. If you own this plush, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Nadou TLOZ Demon Dragon plush is inspired by the iconic dragon from the Legend of Zelda universe, designed with a striking combination of red, black, and yellow. Its vivid, intimidating eyes and bright red flowing hair are immediately eye-catching, while the reflective scales and multiple antennae add to its powerful presence. Measuring an impressive 43.3 inches in length, this plush stands out as a centerpiece in any collection or living space. Many reviewers have commented on the plush's substantial size, noting that it exceeded their expectations and provided a more satisfying cuddling experience than anticipated. The plush is filled with soft, fluffy material that gives it an inviting, squishy texture. This makes it not only a collectible display piece, but also a practical companion for daily use. Owners have reported using it as a pillow, nap pillow, back pillow, lumbar pillow, and even as a cute home decoration. Its versatility extends to bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and cars, making it suitable for a variety of environments. The plush's softness and coziness are consistently praised, with many describing it as incredibly soft and comfortable to hug or rest against. One of the standout features of the Nadou Demon Dragon plush is its detailed craftsmanship. The scales are described as shiny and securely attached, with no reports of them falling off, even after extended use. The stitching and construction are robust, contributing to the overall durability of the plush. The eyes are particularly noted for their resemblance to the in-game character, adding to the authenticity and appeal for fans of the series. The long, flowing hair and antennae are also well executed, enhancing the dragon's lifelike and dynamic appearance. The plush is suitable for all ages, with a manufacturer-recommended age of 3 years and up. It weighs approximately 1.5 pounds and has compact shipping dimensions, making it easy to handle and store when not in use. The plush is manufactured in China and is part of the Nadou store's lineup of collectible plushies. It holds a respectable ranking in the toys and games category on Amazon, particularly among kids' plush toy pillows, and boasts an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 120 customer reviews. In terms of performance, the plush delivers on its promise of comfort and visual appeal. Many reviewers have expressed their delight at the plush's size, softness, and vibrant colors. One user described the plush as absolutely stunning, highlighting the shiny scales and the accuracy of the eyes compared to the game. The packaging also received positive remarks, with the plush arriving in excellent condition and ready for gifting or display. Another reviewer noted that the plush was bigger than expected, calling it the perfect size for both children and adults. The plush's versatility is another major advantage. It serves not only as a toy for children, but also as a decorative piece for gaming rooms, bedrooms, and even cars. Some users have placed the plush on the top of their couch in their gaming area, where it adds a touch of personality and fandom to the space. Others have used it as a centerpiece for themed parties or as a unique gift for fans of The Legend of Zelda. The plush's appeal extends to both children and adults, making it a popular choice for birthdays, Christmas, and other special occasions. Despite its many strengths, there are a few minor drawbacks noted by some reviewers. A small number of users mentioned that the plush is a bit pricey, especially considering it is an unofficial product. However, most agree that the quality and size justify the cost, particularly for dedicated fans and collectors. There were also occasional reports of delayed shipping, but these issues were generally attributed to local delivery services rather than the seller or manufacturer. Importantly, there have been no significant complaints about the plush's construction, durability, or appearance, indicating a high level of satisfaction among buyers. The plush's appeal is further enhanced by its connection to the Legend of Zelda franchise, which has a passionate and dedicated fan base. Many reviewers mentioned purchasing the plush as an impulse buy after stumbling upon it online, only to find that it exceeded their expectations in terms of quality and design. The plush has been described as perfect for Zelda fans, with some users expressing their intention to purchase additional plushies from the same seller. The positive feedback highlights the plush's ability to evoke excitement and joy, particularly among those who appreciate detailed and authentic merchandise. The Nadou Demon Dragon plush is also praised for its suitability as a gift. Its unique design, substantial size, and high-quality construction make it a memorable present for children, game fans, and collectors. The plush's softness and cuddliness are especially appreciated by younger recipients, while older fans value its display potential and connection to their favorite game. The plush's versatility ensures that it can be enjoyed in a variety of settings, from playrooms to offices, and its eye-catching design makes it a conversation starter wherever it is placed. In summary, the Nadou TLOZ Demon Dragon plush stands out as a high-quality, visually striking and versatile collectible that appeals to a wide range of users. Its combination of softness, durability, and authentic design make it a standout choice for fans of The Legend of Zelda and plush collectors alike. The plush's large size and detailed craftsmanship set it apart from other plush toys, while its practical uses as a pillow and decorative piece add to its value. While it may be priced slightly higher than some alternatives, the overwhelmingly positive reviews suggest that it is well worth the investment for those seeking a unique and memorable addition to their collection. If you are considering purchasing the Nadou Demon Dragon plush, you can find the link to the product in the description. Using this link supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you in-depth reviews and expert insights. If you already own this plush, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable to the community and contributes to a more comprehensive understanding of the product's strengths and weaknesses. The Nadou TLOZ Demon Dragon plush is more than just a stuffed toy. It is a statement piece that reflects your passion for gaming and appreciation for quality craftsmanship. Whether you are looking for a unique gift, a cozy companion, or striking addition to your collection, this plush delivers on all fronts. Its combination of softness, durability, and authentic design make it a must-have for fans and collectors alike. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description and leave your review to help others discover this exceptional plush.